Hey everyone, this is Fazan Shamsi from Fish on Wheels. Today we are going to do a routine maintenance for our Snowy Mountains aquarium, and you can see the suggested video to learn more about that tank. So today we'll do the routine maintenance and we'll add some more fishes to the aquarium. So we'll go to the market first and pick some good fishes for the aquarium, and then we'll go to the place to do the maintenance thing. So stay tuned and let's see how it goes. So here we are. This is a 4 feet by 2 feet tank, and you can see that the algae has grown on these rocks because in the daytime the aquarium is getting a direct sunlight which has helped algae to grow. So aquarium is getting sunlight from this window here. So we will take out all the aquariums, all the rocks out of the tank, and we'll clean it and then put them back and reset the tank. So let's get started.